Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a papaya medley smoothie. So here I have a papaya cut up, I have some blueberry, I have some strawberry, those are frozen, and I have 2 dates cut up, alright? And I'm going to be using 1% low-fat milk, so if you're on a diet, you can also use the full cream, but I choose to use the 1% today. And I'm gonna use a glass of it, so I'm gonna get started. So guys, you can choose to add the fruits first or the milk, whichever way is you prefer, okay? And I have my blender waiting. Alright, so I'm gonna get started guys. So first I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Okay, let's even this out in the blender. And then I'm gonna add the milk. Then I'm gonna cover and blend. And there I have it guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this now. Simply beautiful, looks delicious, and it has the same color of the strawberry and blueberry smoothie because the papaya wasn't powerful enough to remove the color. So here you have it guys, all done. So let's taste it. Very nice and creamy guys. You can check it out. You can whip up this in no time. It's a nice smoothie, good for healthy eating. It's a breakfast item, or you can use it as a dinner item. So go ahead and try it. It consists of papaya, strawberry, blueberry, and date, and a glass of milk. So go ahead and try this. You'll love it. Alright, as I said before, you can use the 1% low-fat milk, or you can use it the 100% full cream milk. Not a problem. You can use honey in it if you want. Not a problem. If you prefer your smoothie sweet, you can choose to use the sweetener you want. But the fruit's already sweet for me, and the date, so it's just perfect. So go ahead and try it guys. You'll love it. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this smoothie. Okay guys, and please remember to check out my other videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.